All right, scrappers, welcome back to the channel. Let's do these shower doors. We got doors from two different size showers. They're aluminum, so they aren't that hard to scrap as long as you don't break this. If you break that glass, it's just a mess. It is a pile of little glass beads everywhere, and they just go all over the floor. Sometimes these screws can give you real fits trying to get them out of there. Why is that thing dying? She's dying, man. We need to plug her in. There. All right. Oh, don't do that. Well, so much for that one. Can you see up there? At least we got one of the two out. All right, really? Can't tell what that's doing. All right, so we got a little bit of cast aluminum there. Little piece of extruded aluminum going there. Take these little wheels off there. These screws are probably all stainless steel. Come on, there we go. Turn this one around. Get these screws on this side. Yeah, they're probably stainless. Yep, stainless steel screws. Oh boy, we got those two out. Got a couple over here yet, or one over here. Now the other end. Now this end. Oh, can you see that? That's being weird. All right, now we can just tap that up. Pull that out. Oh boy. Come on, Dennis, be strong. You gotta be stronger, Dennis. Like you were when you were younger. Sometimes these don't wanna come out of there. Sometimes the stupid screws just break off. Come on, get out of there. Okay, those are aluminum too. Just so you know. Just so you know. All right, one on the bottom yet. Let's use our foot. Pull that out of there. Now, there. You don't want to break that. Because they go into the garbage a lot easier in one piece. Oh boy. So some more clean extruded. Almost clean. We got this one here that's being a bummer. It's being a bummer. Huh. If that don't do it, I just do this. There you go. Put that in a dirty aluminum because it's got a piece of stainless steel in it. So that's clean extrusion. All right, how about this one? Ugh. Let's do this, huh? Got those out already. Hopefully you can see all of this. Or if I go down here. Come on. Yeah. Huh. Take the wheels off. You gotta put your finger on the wheel or it just spins. Okay, this one. All right, now we got this screw here. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8 screws. The 2 wheels, that's 10. 11, 12 screws counting taking the handle off. So 12 screws ain't bad. And then we do that. There we go. It's just like the muscle man at the circus. There we go. Almost knocked over the tripod. So I mean, they're all good stuff other than the glass. You know, I got cast aluminum, extruded aluminum, and then I put them in the wrong bucket. I put them in the wrong bucket, they go over there. I seen on Sculler Metal's video today, he got 84 cents a pound yesterday or the day before for extruded aluminum. It's making me think it's time to load up some extruded aluminum and take it in. Because 84 cents, I think that's like the most I've ever seen extruded aluminum. I remember 70 cents a pound once. This is more garbage here. It's garbage. All right, there's that one. Oh, here's the toll bar. That's extruded. Into the extruded bucket you go. All right, now these big wider doors. I don't know why these are, why that screw's not wanting to come out of there on that one. Well, let's see. Let's get the darn corner screws out first.
I don't know if you can see that when I got it up by my face doing that. That baby just wants to turn in there. She just wants to turn. May have to wait till we get it off. Worst case scenario, we'll get her with a grinder. Wheels, doing the wheels. That one almost wasn't wanting to participate. All right. When they're stainless steel, they don't stick to the drill and come right out nice. Okay, how about this one? Is this one gonna come out? No, that's turning in there too. All right, I think we got all of them out of here now.
So, gently tap that up. I've only broke one of all of them that I've done. And I've done a lot of these because I find them in the dumpster every time people move out, they put new ones in. Yeah, and when it broke, I had glass from one end to the other of the shop. It was actually kind of funny. It was kind of funny because I was carrying it like this and it just poof, poof, she just went into pieces. Yeah. All right, now this baby.
Yeah, that's spinning in there too. Okay, got those two out. Oh boy, that one's being a bummer. As long as we get one out. If we don't get one out, then we're screwed. Then we're screwed. Wheels. Wheels. All right. Now let's see if we can.
Come on, muscle man. That's gonna knock my soda over if I let that go. Oh boy. There. Maybe when I take these back to the dumpster, maybe I'll see if I can break one on camera. That'd be kind of different, huh? Don't hit anything with it like that, Dennis. All right, scrappers, we'll see. Got a center punch here, we'll see what it does. Watch your eyes. That's pretty cool. I picked up a microwave here.
Satisfaction at this point. I know we should have been. I'm telling you, they cannot have it with the present.
There's the microwave I found when I brought these down here. Should we do it again? That is cool as crap. You know what? But not as cool as the next video that's on screen right now.